Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block all incoming calls on iPhone by using the Do Not Disturb feature. And here is how you can set it up step by step. So first, open the settings on your iPhone and from there, simply scroll down and tap on option label focus. Once you are in the focus section, simply tap on the option labeled Do Not Disturb. And here simply tap on people under the allowed notification section and tap calls from and select no one or allowed people only to block all incoming calls. And once you have set that option, you can also turn off allow repeat calls option to make sure that the switch is blank and disabled. And once you're done with that, you can simply go to the main home screen and from there swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and open the control center. And tap on Do Not Disturb shown as a moon icon to turn it on or off. And now all incoming calls will be blocked unless you manually turned off Do Not Disturb. And that's all there is to it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.